Resurfacing options to breathe new life into concrete. Are you tired of looking at a drab concrete patio, cracked driveway, or discolored garage floor? With the best concrete supplies from Intermountain Concrete Specialties, you may be able to restore and resurface existing concrete without full replacement. Options for concrete resurfacing. Just about any concrete surface can get a makeover, including driveways, patios, walkways, and pool decks. Exterior concrete resurfacing options can beautify concrete surfaces without tearing out existing structures, which can be both time-consuming and expensive. The type and method of resurfacing you should choose depends on your desired result. Full concrete resurfacing. This method involves using a grinder to remove the entire top surface of your concrete pad. If your patio, driveway, or garage floor has serious cracks or potholes that crack filler can't fix, this will likely be your best choice. Although it's the most labor-intensive and costly method, it offers a long-term solution that can dramatically alter your concrete surface's appearance. Epoxy resin coating. For resurfacing driveways or garage floors, the epoxy resin coating is a highly popular option. This technique can even be applied to new concrete for adding color or decorative effects. Not only does it make the surface easier to clean, but also helps maintain cleanliness longer than untreated concrete. Sealing. Applying a good quality sealer to your concrete is an effective way to postpone complete resurfacing. Sealers come in various colors, allowing you to enhance the appearance while protecting against weather and cracks. Painting. If there are no significant cracks or chips, you can opt to paint your concrete pad instead of resurfacing. However, it's important to note that painted surfaces may not last as long as those that are properly resurfaced. Concrete overlays and microtoppings. A concrete overlay is the application of a thin cement or polymer-modified layer over existing concrete to upgrade the appearance of a concrete surface. When you need to resurface your driveway but don't want to grind the entire top layer away, a concrete overlay may be a good choice. Stamped or textured concrete. Stamping or texturing is a creative and affordable option for beautifying patios and walkways. This is usually more affordable than tearing out existing concrete. Plus, stamping can replicate the look of stone, slate, tile, wood, brick, and more. Staining. Stain can be used on existing concrete or on concrete overlays. Concrete staining also works well in conjunction with stamped concrete. You can really let your creativity shine with this option. Stenciling or engraving. Additional design options such as stencils and engraving are a great way to add color and personality to existing concrete. Some people use this process to create rugs on their patios, which is perfect if you want your space to mimic the interior of your home. Final thoughts. Concrete resurfacing offers practical and aesthetic improvements that give your outdoor spaces a fresh look. It not only enhances the visual appeal, but also extends the lifespan of your concrete surfaces. With a variety of methods and products available, you can choose the best option that adds life to your driveway, patio, or garage floor. Discover how easy it is to transform your surfaces at our website, ics50.com.